need to leave.
Why?
Okay.
Why? It's only 10:45.
Aww.
What's the eye? Don't pink my eye. Go sleep here. Sleep here.
Sleep where? There is no place to sleep.
What are we doing? Sleep in our room. Sleep in our room. No.
I just washed her sheets and stuff.
What?
What?
You want to get ready to go?
Why don't you want to sleep
Bye-bye.
here and there's no place to sleep? Did you just say that? And let's bring it I got you on tape, man. I got you on tape.
Say, Daddy, stay here.
That's it. Yes. Okay, Rai.
Okay, that's enough.
Hey, Daddy ne lagay ro te?
I got you in here already.
You did.
Yeah.